Hello class. In today's lesson, in our English grammar lesson today, we're going to be talking about active and passive voice. Now, first of all, what is an active voice? An active voice in a sentence is when the doer takes the first position in the sentence. So we term it as A. So we say, in the active voice, the doer in the sentence takes the first position. The second is the passive voice. Now, in the passive voice, the doer takes the B position, which is the object position, and then the object position takes the subject position, meaning that the object comes first, and then the subject goes to take the object position. And how do we identify the passive voice? By the word by. When you have a sentence having the word by, it tells you that that sentence is in the passive voice. Just like we have our tenses in the simple present, past tense, present continuous, and the likes, our active and passive voices can also be written in such tenses. For example, in the simple present tense, now let us see an example in the simple present tense. We say, Sarah eats rice. This is the subject. This is the object. This will be in an active voice. Now, let's write the sentence in the passive voice. Now we are going to bring the rice, which is the object here, to the subject position, and take the subject to the object position and introduce this by. Rice is eaten by Sarah. This is our passive voice. In the simple present tense, eats, present tense, is. Now let us look at example in our past tense. Using the same example, Sarah ate rice. Is in an active voice. So what will this passive? Remember, we are talking about the past. And the past of is was. So it's going to be rice was eaten by Sarah. I hope you got that. Okay. That is it with the past tense. Now let us see the present continuous tense. In the present continuous tense, the verb carries the ing. So, Sarah is, being the present tense, eaten, being a continuous, rice. This is the active voice. Now let's change it. See how we can change it to the passive. Rice is being eaten by Sarah. Present being introduced because of this tense, eaten by Sarah. So this is our passive voice. And I hope with these few examples that I have written here, we should be able to change from active voice to the passive voice. See you now next.